All right, we got him sitting down there on the bottom. I've had 2 bites already, haven't gotten hooked up. People might say this is cheating fishing with the electric reels, but we've got so much current, we got a couple pounds of weight holding us down. So it's gonna be good. All right, we're hooked up. We are hooked up, coming up from the bottom. It's my 3rd bite of the day. Finally got hooked up.
This one's not gonna reel. We gotta.
Yep, you got it. I'll just step back. You got him, Bob. Here he comes. Oh, look at the size of this grouper coming in. Oh, it's a mutton.
Borderline legal. We're
gonna check him. He's gonna be close. Good looking mutton though, isn't he?
Yeah, he's legal. I'm gonna measure him right now, but he's legal. Nice job there, Christmas, Jimbo.
Yeah, Everglades 243, Bobby Fajardo.
Well done.
All right, we're gonna measure this guy. He's gonna be close. He's gotta be 18 or 16? 18, huh?
He's gotta be 18.
And he ate a ballyhoo plug, hooked right in the corner of the mouth. We like that.
Let go.
All right. Where's your tape? Oh, right here on the side.
Is over 18. 19.
There we go. And we got ice up here. First fish in the box. Perfect. Did he get you?
Sliced a piece of my finger. That's all right though.
That gill plate, super sharp.
Like sliced a piece of the outside off. It didn't go like in. It like just shaved.
Yeah, it's like the gill plate's like a razor blade. All right, Bobby, we got the first one on the boat.
Well done.
You want to save this crab?
One, sure.
This is what he was eating. So we could put that, this is what he was eating. We could put that guy back down there. You know what? I've got some crabs about that size in my tackle box from Gulp. They make those rubber crabs.
You think that'll work?
I think it would.
I'm on the bottom. Did you see that?
I saw that.
That was the bottom. It got stuck on some reef or some shit.
That'll make it so you didn't see the bite, that's for sure. Still got bait? I think it was a fish and not the bottom, but I was really close to the bottom.
No, we shouldn't be drifting, so it should have just sat where it was at.
Yeah, there we go. That is a fish. Look at that bite. We got a big one, Bob. We got a big one.
Well done, Jim.
I'm gonna step back and let you just handle him so I get good video, because that's what this is all about. Everglades 243 in the Keys. This fish is pulling way harder than that last one.
This thing feels loose. Oh, this is a good one. Oh, there's Blackie. Oh.
Look at the size of this guy. You got a gaff? You like that guy?
This is a freaking, I don't think this is a black.
It's a Nassau.
Hand off the gill plate. I don't think we can keep it, can we?
That is a beautiful Nassau grouper. That's the biggest one I've ever seen.
Yeah, that's not a legal fish, is it? Son of a gun.
So, what we have to do is go check fish rolls.
You go pull them out, pull out the rules. I'm just gonna grab this one out. So if I do got to release him, I want to give him a chance. Get a quick picture of him.
Oh yeah.
Go ahead and get him. Let's get pictures real quick. Let me get you with the sun behind you. Right here. There you go, buddy. Pick him up. I thought he was a black. Try to get him. Here, put your hand under the belly. There you go.
Here, let me take my glasses. Hey, look at that bad boy.
Man, what a beautiful looking fish.
Man, he is just thumping away.
Get you with a nice background.
All right, spin my camera so it's back facing this way again. Right, there we go. That's perfect. It's on. It's running. Look at that, people. We got to double check this guy. This is a Nassau grouper. You can tell because he's got this big black spot right here in the saddle on his tail. I don't believe we can keep him, but we're going to double check him. And let's see. Nope, the hook's down his throat, Bob. I'm gonna leave it. And you're looking him up, right?
I gotta let him go. It's not legal.
How big is this guy? Thank you. All right, that's a 36-inch Nassau grouper. I never seen one this big. But we're gonna let him go. Right over the side. Not sure of it. Reeled it up about a foot. It did not load up.
You have to reel quite a bit more down.
Nah, not if he was there though. I would have seen him. If I would have seen him, I would have reeled more. I'm pretty light on the touch. Broke the bill off of him? You taking his head off?
No.
Oh, so you're setting him up to put out on a spinner, huh?
Yeah.
Out here on the surface, okay. That sounds good. I think you're gonna get a big mackerel. Big king mackerel's gonna come and eat him.
Something will come eat it. It'll probably just bite it off because I only have one hook. I can put a triple hook right down.
Yeah.
I really don't want to catch a kingfish that bad.
Yeah, it's actually pretty fun to be snorkeling and watching a little fish picking at it and the grouper to come. Everything leaves and he eats it.
But you gotta give.
He got tapped instantly. And I had a little live bait on. That was instantaneous, but he didn't come back. Got him. There you go.
I told you, John!
There we go.
I told you, buddy!
The radio's not here. How do I turn
told
it?
you, buddy! What did I tell you?
You
The
got
fish
him.
Whistle when the fish whistle goes. The fish whistle goes.
You got him.
This thing's biting so bad, it's gonna get sharp.
Got a shark?
I don't know. It's biting more than I want to deal with.
Here he comes. Long leader.
Big old one, huh?
Oh, look at that mangrove.
Holy crap, that meter's Holy crap!
Have you ever caught one like that, Bobby?
Holy crap!
Woo!
Holy crap! That's the biggest mangy I've ever caught.
He's a monster.
Holy crap!
He is a
I didn't even know
monster.
they made him this big.
Oh yeah. Turn on your phone, I get a good picture of you. That is a monster.
Holy crap.
That's as big a mangrove as I've ever
right
seen.
when I thought about leaving or moving the anchor, this thing's been eyeing that bait for a while.
Look at
those
that guy.
teeth. Wow. All right, give me a bait.
Yep. We'll put it back down, we'll get some pictures. That's as big a mangrove as I've ever seen.
Holy crap.
What's he weigh, 9 pounds?
I don't know, man. This thing is the biggest thing I've ever seen. I didn't know they came that big.
You got a real one, Bob. Everglades 243 on the rod. Woo! Slid all the way down to your bait.
Oh, it was the bait that filled it. Wow, dude.
That
Look at the size of that animal, bro. No wonder that thing was fighting like a shark. That thing has got no, he's not blown out at all.
nope.
They go right back to the bottom. I felt on the second pull, I was like, this isn't a shark. Let me take a wrap on it and get close.
Yep, I saw the wrap. I got the wrap on video, I believe.
Holy crap, dude. Are you gonna move still or are you done?
I think you got him. So I think just sit right there in that corner because that's where the sun's going. We should be good. Wow. What a nice fish, Bob.
What a fish, man. Look at the size of this thing.
Wow.
That's a big dog right there. Look at that tail. That's
I never
big
seen
dog,
a mangrove
boy.
that big.
Open up that cooler. I got it. Oh.
Okay, here we are. Filling the fish box. Look at the size of that guy. You think he's legal?
Nope.
Did a shark hit him on the side?
He's too big. He's so big, we're not allowed to keep him.
Way to go, buddy. That is it.
Let him eat all the way. That leader's long. We want him to grab it and run.
Yeah, well, it was, I thought he was hooked.
I'll check my bait now.
In a minute. It was a good bite. There he is, there he is. He's back. You know,
A little fish.
well, after just catching a monster, everything's gonna seem little.
No, I mean, it didn't even really double over harder than the leg. But yeah, that other fish is a monster. That is fair. Yeah, it looks like I'm actually gonna have to clean it up.
I was just gonna check, I was just checking my bait.
Roll it up. You caught a piece of rock. Stop.
He's a rocker.
Whoa.
Oh, I told you I loaded up.
What are you gonna do with this?
Well,
He's biting
Here.
himself. Look, he's eating himself.
no, he's just
Oh, he's
pissed.
spitting it out.
He can't though.
I'm
So,
scared he's gonna get too close to me. I can get the hook. I can get probably a thing on the hook. I'm not gonna grab his head. It's either we cut him.
no, you can grab the hook.
Oh shit, he's gonna bite my ass.
Here.
Hold on. These pliers are long. Oh shit, I'm scared when we go upside down, he's gonna fucking clamp on me. I can cut it right there. Jesus. Ow! Whoa! 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 Easy! Easy! Easy!
Okay, I've let go of the line now. Come on, Bob, it'll make good video.
Whoa!
I'll tie a new hook. It's not worth getting bit.
I thought I got it clamped, but he got me.
He got you?
No. When he bit the thing, like when he clamped to the pliers, he freaked me out. I was like, oh shit, and I let go.
I could tell you were scared. You were scared, big dog. That mangrove is the biggest one I've ever seen, Bob.
Yeah, me too.
So we got the biggest Nassau I've ever seen, the biggest mangrove I've ever seen.
We're all about catching monsters down here.
That was not the biggest eel I've ever seen,
That's
though.
what we do, though. We catch monsters down here in Key Largo.
Exactly.
Monster fish in Key Largo in the Everglades.
Everglades 243. If you want to see more fish like that, just look up Bobby at Everglades 243 on Instagram.
Yes, sir.
Or go to cousinjimfishing.com or go to YouTube for Cousin Jim.
Good times.
There we go. It's going to be a beautiful sunset on the way home. Check that out. Oh, I'm bouncing on the bottom.
Come on, Big Daddy.
I pulled away to
Yeah, I
cut.
pulled mine a little higher than normal because I keep getting wrapped up on the bottom. So I'm wondering if this will, I think I'm about 10 feet off the bottom. I think that's my lead right there. I think this top shenanigans is my lead.
Okay.
So I'm about 7 or 8, maybe 10 feet off the bottom, but with a 60-foot leader. So that thing can go all over.
Yeah, it could be on the bottom. It could be 50 feet up.
Yeah, there's no telling. It's down there somewhere. Those fish are quick though. If they want to eat, they'll get to their spot.
Obviously, it's in the zone because you put the biggest mangrove I ever saw on the boat.
Yep. We're doing it again, Cousin Jim.
You are hooked up again.
This is another one I'm pretty sure it's fighting like it.
You are in the spot. Same fight?
Same fish.
Where is he?
Oh! Ho, ho, ho! Shit, he's not hooked.
Want the gaff? You got a little gaff there?
Woo, boy! That is how you catch monsters. Oh god, oh god. Oh shit.
Just
Oh god, stay there. Oh shit.
That's a baby compared to the other one, and he's a monster. Wow.
Dude, he's about to fall off this thing. The hook's already out. The hook's gone. It's in the water. Whoa!
Yeah. I got a bait on the bottom. You found the school. That's why I didn't move the boat, though.
Yeah, we're not moving. We're fishing until we can't see. Let's see if we can catch a few more of these.
The Cousin Jim split. Bringing in some monsters.
Bringing in fish after fish after fish.
That fish right there, would that one be the biggest mangrove you ever caught if you hadn't caught that other one?
Yep. The personal best, number 1 and number 2.
That's nice, man.
Personal best 1 and 2.
I am so happy for you. Well, there's a big school of them here, so you need to mark the spot. Whew.
It is. It's, my Mutton 26 is now going to be
Monster mangrove.
Monster Man. Can you get your shadow out of it?
I don't think my shadow's in it, but lift him higher. Is he's smaller or bigger?
Same size.
Nice.
They're giants.
They are giants. They are giants. That's what we came out here for. Yep. I got another eel.
Do you? Is that what it is?
Maybe. Did I call it?
Is it the same one?
Does he have a hook in his lip? No. The other one was a...
Whoa, he just spit up the whole value.
He was...
Oh, wow. Nice job, buddy. Well done, buddy.
There he goes.
Well done, buddy. You are on the eel spot, dude.
And you are on the... I'm on the eel spot and you're on the mangrove spot.
I love it.
I like your spot a little better than my spot.
It's producing better eating fish. That's for sure.
So I'm going to de-rig after we see if you got anything. My rod loaded up again, so just like when I had, you know, no bite, start reeling up, rod loads. You got your bait though, huh?
I got something more than my bait.
You got more than your bait? Ooh.
Yeah. This is
Piece of coral.
Yeah, whatever it is not good.
Maybe it's a baby eel.
Oh no, don't tell me that. We're bringing the eels. Oh, look at this. What is that?
Salad.
That is not good. That is not fishing right there. That is called not fishing.
Okay. There you go.
Oh, no.
I thought you had it. Okay, Bob's rigging up the last bait of the day. Just had another bite. It's probably one of those big mangroves.
This bait's huge, man. So whatever eats this.
There you go.
Oh, just from the bottom. They tangled me up on the bottom. Holy crap, we're out of here. That's like triggerfish or something.
Maybe a mutton munching on it.
It could have eaten it.
Okay, I'm coming up. I got no bait.
No bait?
Remember, if you like these videos, hit that subscribe button.